Hello everyone, do you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Okay, perfect. Our project started by a consideration about the view, three-dimensional conception and perspective view realized by architects. In some times of case, these are without life of human life, and the space are hide without a presence of the people. This is really different by the Hermann Hetzelberger photos, when in the every single frame of the photo of Netherlands architects say homo sum humani nil a me alienum puto to say I would say Terenzio. So the architecture for us are a commission are composed 50-50 by the people and the space. So we think that some architects are scared, and also us are scared by the conflicts. And the conflicts is not a limit, but are opportunities. It will be generated or so much opportunities. And so this create, how can we see in some different parts of the world and in every single city, Hegelian process with entities, and syntax process. This is a physical system. How can we say the physical system are more like is more the entropy energy inside of this. So we are started by this, and we went in Vienna to do an experiment, and this is to ask to the people to design by a little sketch of the house in Zimmerstrasse. How can will be our house? So I start to design the different types. You can see some singular theme are more presented in a different design. One of these is the presentation of the nature in the architecture, and like a composition move in facade. Another one is the appropriation of public space to create a semi-private zone, like the step in Netherlands culture, but is also present in Sweden or other parts of Europe. Another one is to create a space on the roof to see the city, and in some parts of the world, Italy, of course, the roof are really more not. It's not the parts of architecture we consider for first. And when you see the city by the airplane or by the rooftop, you can see the different intervention of the people more than in a facade or by walk in the streets, and also in the historical part of the city. So the border city for us are without natural disorder, and the disorder to create is necessary to create a favorable space for the life. So we are try to create a system, a tools for the people to express the necessary and the necessities of the people, and the architects rules are composed by the to do the tools. Tools are chosen by the moral, ethical necessity of architects. So our project is to create a space to express the disorder, to do the people can express self and generate a new site, a new city. How to say Derrida? So to do the design like mandatory for primary school, for example. And you can see also some different system of construction system and our intervention in one typology presented be in the Siemensstrasse. This is our study about typology in this. And you can see two different typology elaborated with functional disposition and what we have saved of the Schuster plants, and how can habitants can touch this and transform the space. This is the part we are analyzing, and our intervention is to attach agree, like you can see here, and create a densification of the space and a new path where the people can live and stay together to talk with each other. And also you can see here the intervention of habitants on the Schuster facade of the building, and the transformation with so materials different we have for we are elaborated to the people. And you see here axiometric view of this to understand better our rapports with the lights and the space also. So this is our imaginatory of our view of this. And so, thank you so much.